Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to set up my Halloween asset 1.5. First you're going to want to drag this preset into your hierarchy and then unpack and add it onto your avatar. And you're going to want to open this up to get to the hands and open your avatar down to the hands as well. And then drag the left hand onto the left hand and the right hand onto the right hand. Next, we're going to use Avatar's 3.0 Manager to add the animations onto the FX. So you just want to drag your avatar into here, go to the FX, add, go in here, and drag the FX into here and just merge on the current. Then you want to go to here and add the parameters and find the parameter, copy, and then we have to do the menu. So you go to your avatar menu, add one, name it, make it a sub toggle, and find the Halloween basket sub menu. That should be it for setting it up. If you have a different type of avatar, you're probably going to need to move where it is positioned on the hands. So all you'll need to do is take this left hand and move it wherever it needs to be, rotate it and all that. And for this one you're gonna have to go into here to the candy and change this to the hand so you can see where the candy is going to be in your hand when you're holding it, and then you can move this around, and then when you're done you just put it back, and then it should be all set.